my dear students. Today we are going to study chapter 4 Ancient Period from your second PUC Indian History textbook. Topics covered in this chapter are 4.1 Vedic Culture, Origin and Salient Features, 4.2 Rise of New Religions, Jainism and Buddhism, 4.3 Mayura, Chandragupta Maurya, Kautilya, Ashoka, Contributions and Shatavahanas, 4.4 Kushanas, Kanishka and Gandhara Act. By the end of this video, you will understand how early Indian society, politics, and culture developed over thousands of years. Now, let's begin with 4.1 Indus Civilization. The Indus Civilization, around 2500 to 1900 BC, was one of the earliest urban civilizations in the world. Major cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were carefully planned with streets in a grid pattern, drainage system, and large granaries. People were skilled in crafts, bread making, pottery, and trade. Seals found in the excavation show a system of writing and trade records. The civilization thrived along the Indus River and influenced later Indian urban life. Students, we learn from this era urban planning existed long before modern cities. Trade and craft were highly developed. Early writing system and cultural symbols showed organized society. Now let's move on to 4.2, that is Vedic period. The Vedic period followed the Indus civilization and shaped early Indian society. In the early Vedic age, society was pastoral and simple, focusing on cattle and small settlements. By the later Vedic age, agriculture, trade, kingdoms, and towns developed. Religion involved yagnas, sacrificial ritual, and society was divided into varnas. King ruled small regions with the help of council of ministers, laying the foundation for political administration. Students, from this era we learn early religion practices influenced social structure, kings and councils established early governance, society transitioned from pastoral to agricultural economy. Now let's move on to 4.3 Mahajanapadas and Magadha. Students, during the Mahajanapada period 600 to 300 BC, India had 16 major kingdoms including Magadha, Kosala and Vatsa. Magadha emerged as the most powerful, later ruled by Haryanka and Nanda dynasties. Trade, agriculture and military power helped Magadha dominate its neighbors. This period shows the rise of political organization and religion empires. Students, we learn from this era political organization began at a larger regional scale. Magadha's power set the stage for later empires like Maurya. Trade and military were important for kingdoms' expansion. Now let's move on to 4.4 Kushanas. The Kushanas were originally nomads from China, yet Yuchi later settling in Bactria, Kabul Valley and Gandhara. King Kanishka was the greatest ruler, expanding the empire from Kashmir to Sindh and even into the parts of Central Asia. The Kushanas promoted Buddhism, sent missionaries to Tibet, China, and Japan, and built stupas. They also encouraged Gandhara art, a unique blend of Indian and Greek styles, famous for realistic Buddha statues. Students, we learn from this era political unification under Kanishka strengthened northern India. Cultural influence spread beyond India. Gandhara art shows the fusion of Indian and foreign artistic ideas. This concludes our first video covering the Indus Valley Civilization, Vedic period, Mahajanapadas and Kushanas. In the next video, we will continue the rest of the topic. See you in the next class. Until then, bye.